So, in typical Calvin style, I've decided I'm going to go do something crazy a couple hours before my live stream tonight with Jimmy. Will I make it back in time? Hey, we'll find out. Let the fun begin. So currently, right now, it is just after 3:30 in the afternoon, which means it is 7 hours until the official start time of the Calvin and Jimmy show. More like 6.5 hours until I have to be back home. Have the laptop all set up. My dad's going to be home, so just in case I can't make it in time, he can take over, but we'll see. So, let's dive in. Alright, so it is currently 4:45, picked up my friend at 4. We're now heading our way on over to the Red Line station. That means we have about 5 hours left until the show starts. It's going great so far. Let's go get ourselves some French dip. Oh yeah! Alright, fare's loaded, waiting on our train. Ready to go?
Yes.
Hey, go. When the train comes. Talk about timing.
Nos vemos en el horario.
Look at that. Right there. Look at that. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hold me back, Colleen. I'm gonna like totally get sucked in. So good. Photo up. So our next stop is the last bookstore, where she's going to attempt to not buy a book.
I'm going to attempt not to buy a book.
Famous last words. Excited yet? Yeah, she had way too much sugar. This is going to be miserable for me. I'm just going to be in the corner like I don't know that person. There it is. It's in the ground floor, that level and that level. Not that much of a book nerd. I probably should be more of one, but it is epic. guess who said they weren't going to buy a book and bought a book? I guess who said they were going to try and not buy a book and bought two? Well, it's, what time is it? It is 7:10, so we still got about 2 hours and 50 minutes till I got to be home, so we're probably going to poke around, do a little bit of fun stuff, and then head for the subway and head home.